SAT example number 106. The hardest part about this problem is interpreting the question. It says which of the following expressions has an even integer value. Well, what that means is when you add the terms together, you're going to get an even answer. You must get an even answer. Well, you have to realize that if you add an even and an even, you're always going to get an even. If you add an even and an odd, you will get an odd. Or if you add two odds, you're going to get an even. So which of these scenarios will give you an even answer? Well, if you take a look at the first one, 8 times something plus 2 times something. If you multiply any number by an even number, you're going to get an even number. So the 8a has to be even, 2ac has to be even. So if you add an even and an even, you're going to get an even. So we were just lucky enough that the first choice worked. You could check the rest of them just to confirm that if you wanted to. But on the second one, if a is, for example, 1, you'd have 3 plus, and then if c is 2, 3 times 2 is 6, and that gives you an odd. And you can just go down the list and see that you could get an even and an odd and get an odd answer on the rest of them. So even times an even is an even times an even is an even plus an even has to be an even, and that's what we were looking for, choice A.